Hey guys! In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a dash system in the Unreal Engine. First, we need a player input, which we call dash and use Q as input. Then we open our third-person character and create our function for dashing. For this, we need a Boolean variable, which we call dashing, and see if it is false. If it is, we set the Boolean to true so that the player cannot dash again while he is already doing it, and then we launch the character. This node is used to catapult the character in a certain direction, which is just right for our intention. We use our velocity from the player and multiply it by 10 so that our character is catapulted more strongly. At the end, we set the variable to false again, so that the character can stand again after 1.4 seconds. Now we go to the character movement settings and set Use Separate Braking Friction to false. We also set Falling Lateral Friction to 5, and our dash system is ready. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this and like the video if you liked it.